What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Abdi Kenya TV. Guys, it has been for like 4 months I've not been doing YouTube videos. For those who are new here to my YouTube channel, my name is Abdi Kenya. Yeah, I used to do videos on YouTube, and somehow vitu zilifanyika, somehow things happened, and today I've just decided to be back at least somehow with a short video so that I can communicate that I am back, and I will continue doing videos because now this is what I've decided to do. Yeah, so guys, today it is on Sunday. I don't know the date, but today it is on Sunday, and this is the life that I live. This is our home, not my home. This is our home, my parents' home. This is their home, and that is the small cube that you see there, and that is my father's car. So today it is on a Sunday, and today I just decided to take this day like a resting day, because every week I'm cruising on the road. I'm saying this because I'm doing a boda boda, a motorbike transporter. I'm a motorbike transporter. The whole week I'm on the road, cruising. But today I've just decided to take this moment of Sunday. I'm not saying I'm a Christian, because Sunday mostly our Christian brothers and sisters go to the church, but for me I just decided to take this as a time for me to rest, at least to get meditation, and at least to discover things on yourself. Most of the time when people decide for you, you come and we do this, yani watu wakidecide kwa mambo yako things. What I'm trying to say is that when people come to your life and decide for you what they want, how you, sometimes Kizungu is difficult, but we are trying so hard to know English so that I can talk more English on my videos. Because now the reason why I'm talking English on my videos is because in future maybe there is someone in US, maybe in Qatar, Dubai, outside the African continent. They may be like to watch my previous videos. That's why I'm trying my best to talk English at least, so that everyone can understand me. Now another thing that's making me stay to this direction is because the sun is up there. As you can see, I don't have a good camera. That's why I'm relying on myself like this, so that I can get some good lightening, and my phone cannot bring some colors on the screen. So guys, as you can see, there is a lot of progress going around this home. If it is your first time, go and watch my previous videos. There was a fence here, as you can see, but right now it has gone, because there is something we called maendeleo. Maendeleo is progress of the environment and the compound. When you have a compound or a home, if you want to stay well, you have to create a build every day, every time, so that you can have that good environment you want. So guys, it has been so long, and I've been staying for silent for so long, and I will tell you the reason later. But now I just wanted to tell you that I am back. and I will be trying to do some small videos. Now the problem that made me not to do videos is because the camera that I have right now, this phone that I'm using right now, it cannot hold the power, the battery power. It go down for so fast when it is 90%. When you start recording like this that I'm doing right now, after 10 to 20 minutes you will find it like 30%. So that is one struggle. Another struggle is, you see, like right now I have to find a place like this where there is lightning at me. Kizungu ndo kidogo, but pole pole, we will learn pole pole. You know, I am Maro. If you watch Maro's video, he always used to say pole pole. So yeah, the challenge that I have is about camera, and I'm trying so hard to changa changa. You know, changa changa is taking some little money so that I can go and buy a good camera so that I can be doing my vlogs everywhere I go, even at my job. You know, it is so, I feel so bad, or I don't feel so confident when I'm going to the public with a phone recording people like this. It looks weird, but when I go with a GoPro like this, you know, a GoPro you can hold it like this, and you say no one will shughulika with you. Shughulika in Kizungu, what is shughulika in Kizungu? Shughulika, no one will focus with you. So that is my mission. When I will get a good camera, I will be cruising with it on public, the job that I do, and I will start doing videos everywhere that I want. But for now, because the camera that I have is the only phone that I have, people are calling me through this phone, so that, yeah, so it is a lot of things that make me not to do videos. It's not like I've let the YouTube channel like that, but I'm trying so hard to fix my problems first and organize how I will get a new camera. So guys, as you can see, today is a resting day. Right now I was trying to fill my water here. As you can see, I just want to go and shower. After showering, I will go and pray at least. Right now it is 2 p.m. Afternoon, so I've rested enough. I've overslept up to 11 a.m. So right now I feel so good. So what I want to do is to get a fresh refresh bath and go to shower. Then from there I will go and pray to my house. But before that, for those who always watch my videos, yeah, the compound has not changed. It's the same compound. So yeah, the mission for today is just for telling you that I'm back on YouTube officially. I will continue doing YouTube videos when I feel it is the right time for me to do it, because now it has reached a place where other people can decide for you to live the way they want. But for me, when I started or realized myself and I told myself, you have to understand, yani, hey, Kizungu is more, you know, I have that feelings when I stay alone like this. I know it is for everyone. When you stay like this, in your brains you can talk a lot of Kizungu in your brains, but when you are talking it now officially, it cannot come out of the mouth. So yeah, that is the challenge. I have a lot of things to tell, but now coming out is a problem. So a lot of things have been going on, and one mission, I'm looking for good camera so that I can do my videos everywhere everywhere where I go. My lifestyle and my my mission is to inspire, motivate, and yeah, you will see it if you continue subscribing, watching my videos like right now. So my mission is to come back, yeah, to do videos to show you this transformation, 1 2 3. So I believe everything will be okay, and what you will do, what I need you to do is to, by sharing this video link, and subscribe, like and share, so that we can get numbers and fans and followers, so that we can grow pole pole, sindio? So guys, I'm so happy to be back, and I will try my best to bring you at least 1 2 3 videos in a week. At least for a month we can have 4 to 3 videos, yeah, like that. Yeah guys, look at this. These are the duck, the, you know, there are type of ducks. Uh, English is not Englishing, but we will try. In this journey of YouTube, we will try to talk English. So these ducks are staying here. They eat everything. As you can see, this place, there was a lot of grass, but right now there are no grass because of these ducks. They eat everything that they see. It is green. Even this, as you can see, this place, after 1 to 3 months, there will be nothing here because they eat everything, even the small nyoka nyoka. Nyoka nyoka is a snake. Everything that they see here, so they are good, and they don't catch diseases. They don't die fast. Yani they are good animals that you can take care of them at home, and they can take care of your home. But now they have turned this place to a desert. You can see there is no grass. They have eaten all of them. So guys, if you want me to explain more about my videos and showing you around, just make sure subscribe, like and share, so that we can go through together to this journey. So for now, I think I need to end this video. I know it is a too short video, but I will just trying to communicate to you that I'm coming back officially, and I will try my best to bring you videos so that we can be together, you can see the life, and maybe some of you can be inspired through my videos, and start doing something good in your life. So make sure subscribe, like and share. My name is Abdi Kenya TV. Yeah.